Good evening everybody. Today I take a class in Java. Okay. Today I show you how to use switch statement. To check whether the character is whole or not. Okay. In Java, my name is Rizwan. I'm a computer faculty at Microsoft Computer Center Tumkur. First I'll go to Eclipse. Okay. I'll go to Eclipse here. Here I'll type a new project, again a new project. Okay, I'll go to file, then I'll go to new Java project. Give some name. Okay, give some name. Here project is considered as a package. Okay, then what you do? You go to source, then you go to class. Always class is other project package is a collection of classes. Each program you are doing in different classes. Give some name. Okay, then click on finish. Now what I'll do, I'll add the main function. Here is a public. Okay, it's a public static void main. There is a string. There is a arguments. Okay, arguments. Okay, telling public. There is a static void main string arguments. Okay, then what is a declare variable? It's a char some variable name. Okay, suppose also value as y. R also okay y. It's a y. Then semicolon. Here what I'll do, I'll use switch statement. It's a switch followed by that variable name. Switch is followed by expression. I can say variable name. Okay. Then what you do? See, open the bracket. Switch is followed by different cases. Okay, it's a case. Then label name. Suppose I say label name as A. I say label name as A. Then give colon. Okay. Then it's a system. System.out.println. Okay. Println. Then say the character is A. Okay. Again what is a break. Okay. In between a review break. Always case is followed by label name, statement and break. Okay. Now copy this one. Now, how many vowels are there? A, E, I, O, U. Like that for each vowel, you give each case. Okay, totally you will give 5 vowels for 5 cases. Okay, 5 cases you give. Yeah, 5 cases. Here is a A, then you say E. Okay, you say E. Here is a the character is E. Okay, then you say I. Then you say character is I. Then you say O. Okay, there is a character is O. Okay, then you say U. Then say character enter is. Then what you do? Finally you say default. Okay. Default is for printing the false statement. Again you say system.out.println. Okay, you say the character entered. Is not a vowel. Okay. Like that. Okay. Default is for printing the false statement. Here you are telling the character entered is not a vowel. Okay, this for checking whether the character is vowel or not. Okay. Now what I do, I go to run, then you go to run as, then go to Java application. Okay. Here switch variable name is what? Okay. For switch don't be semicolon. Okay. Run as topic. Click on. Showing enter a character. Suppose if I say character as E. Okay. Now E is over now. I'll say E. Okay, now because see already assigned now. See this for assigning. Suppose if I enter A. Okay, now Y is not able. Suppose if I say A, I'll go to run as. Okay, say run as Java application. Now what is showing? Now since A is a word, it will show the character is A. Okay. Now whichever the letter you assign to the variable, that variable will go to the switch statement and will print. Okay. Will go to that particular case and will print. Okay. Now whichever the value is giving, if that value is in that case, it will show. Suppose whichever value is giving, it is not in the case, it will show false. False is for printing the default statement. Suppose if I say M, M is not, letter is not not there in the case, is not there in different case. Now it will what print default state. Now see, we go to run as job application. You can say okay. See, showing that is not a word. So this is for checking whether the character entry is vowel or not. Okay. Okay.